Before ink ever touched paper, the ground did already write. Every footstep leave a testimony, and earth never lose sight. Beneath the cane where the old roots sleep, they saw the soil all a promise thee. Whip mark fade from the wooden door, but the clay still know who bleed before. Massa change coat, clerk change pen, same old burden return again. Them bury the truth under concrete wall, but one little tremor reveal it all. Earth keep record, ground now forget. Rain wash the road, but the truth they yet. Every seed buried must answer the sun. When the page turn over, judgment come. Them stamp false word with a shiny seal, thinking official ink make a light turn real. But river carry news from hill to town, and stone mark every throne where tumble down. Poor man sweat build the governor gate, still him children stand outside and wait. No scale stay crooked forevermore. Justice find balance at history door. Earth keep record, nothing can hide. Roots hold the story beneath each side. Every name stolen shall rise and return. Truth is a fire we quietly burn. Listen when the breeze cross the burial ground. Old time vices travel without sound. Breadfruit branch bend over broken stone, guarding every soul whenever reach home. Mountain keep watch through drought and flood. Red earth remember the innocent blood. When drum call witness, silence must break. Babylon foundation begin fishing. No shovel deep enough, no document strong enough, no palace high enough. Fi cover what Jah uncover. Drum speak, people awaken. Stone speak, chains start breaking. Now teach the picnic or the pathway run from ancestral shadowing to morning sun. Give them the names that them school book lost. Tell them freedom carry a painful cost. Plant new seed where the chain post stood. Build with justice and neighborly good. We not seek vengeance, we demand what's right. Truth on the table and freedom in sight. Earth keep record, hear the verdict sound. Truth rise mighty from beneath the ground. Every last vice join the living as one. Earth free, we know a new day come. Paper may crumble, kingdom may fall, but earth keep record. Earth remember us. Them move the fence, them change the map, but memories still live beneath every track. Red mark appear upon the old zinc gate. Survey man arrive when the hour get late. Mango tree stand where grandma once prayed. No machine come fi push everything away. Martha stone rest by the kitchen wall. Still hold the rhythm of the fall. Them call it empty, them call it bare, but generations breathing at the air. Grown member, every yard and face, every barefoot journey through the place. Boundaries shift and document here. Grown know exactly who belong there. Human measure with a polished chain. Never plant yam through a season of rain. Him draw straight lines through the family track, then send our men fi keep people back. Deed get stamped in a distant room, while Callaloo wilt and the cane feels gloom. Law wear shoes, but justice walks slow. Still every buried cornerstone know. Young member, every hand we sow, every weary back and harvest row. Seal may shine and title look fair, but history root much deeper there. Old well cover with a concrete sheet. New road running where the neighbors meet. School bell silent, chapel board rot, while bush climbing round the cooking spot. Yet after rain, when the dust settle down, children find shells from the vanished town. One broken cup and a rusted key bring back a whole community. Get the drum reason with the evening breeze. Fun the answer softly beneath the trees. No bulldozer blade can uproot birds. Memory travel through the belly of earth. Families gather with the records them save. Names from the cradle straight back to the grave. Young hands clear off the pathway stone. Elders point out where each house once known. Them plant breadfruit beside the spring. Repair the roof where the night birds sing. Not for revenge nor another man's fall, just rightful ground and respect for all grown member. Now the truth step through, old roots living and the claim stand true. Fence come down as the people declare. Land without justice belong to despair. Map can change, it can fail. Grown member, every life we stay. History never mute. Put your ear near the ancient wall. Every stone have a testimony. Limestone cut from the hillside face. Bare hand carried mile after mile in place. Fort rise tall where the sea breeze blow, but no plaque mention who built it so. Governor boast of him mighty design, while worker collapse beneath midday shine. Palace look clean when the paint spread broad, but sweat still live in every yard. Stone them talk when mouth gets sealed. Chisel mark show what the crown conceal. Wall may stand in a ruler's name. Every block know who carried the pain. Sell black coal by the harbor side. All righteous people who would not hide. Judge sit high with him polar dead, passing our sentence for words people said. Prisoner scratch one date in the wall, 4 little lines and a cross through all. Warden what the crowd now show. Hey! And a boy. Hey! Warehouse arch overlook the bay, where sugar and sorrow sail away. Cobblestone polished beneath heavy load, cartwheel carved grief in the merchant road. One mason leaving munitions low, where only rain and the wild grass know. Years roll past, yet the letters remain, small human proof beneath wealth and fame. Hammer strike, hear the mountain reply. Get the road, hear the old walls cry. Horn sound once and the silence divide. Truth walk out from the building inside. People gather when the morning turn gold, reading each mark that the stone still hold. Them carve work on names where the lords once stood, honor every hand that supplied their blood. Old prison yard become learning ground. Children hear whole resistance sound. No monument great till the whole truth show, who laid each block and who claimed the glow. Stone them talk, know the message ring. No wall can glorify a wicked king. Raise every name hidden under shame. Builders reclaim what history framed. Hey! Pain peel away, pro towers fall. Stone them talk, and truth outlive all. River never sign false statement. From mountain end to ocean mouth, it carry what it witness. Whoa. Spring break free from the limestone seam, curl through fern like a silver dream. Long before bridge or estate appear, river give the whole hillside water clear. It watch bare feet cross before dawn, carrying hope while the night move on. No written page record that flight, but current guide them out of sight. River testify from the hill to sea. Every bend reveal what the water see. Dam up the channel, trouble the flow. Truth find a passage and continue go. Cane cart roll by the muddy bank, field and kneel where the cool pool sank. Them wash sore palm after cutting row, sing love psalm where the reeds them grow. Oversee a ride on the ridge above, never understand how the people find love. River carry prayer past the estate gate, joining every vice that was forced away. River testify through the rock and reed, carry every prayer and forgotten deed. Block up the crossing, command it to stay. Water carve freedom through another way. No, no. No factory pipe reach under the ground. Pour bitter color when no gather around. Dead fish gather where the children swim green. leaf yellow and the sunlight dim. Owner tell town that the stream look fine. Wild poison settle pon the washing line, but river sent evidence down to the bay. Black foam speaking what them can't explain away. Fun the drum roll like water pan stone. Flute and tobacco with a mournful tone. When nature suffer, every household feel. Protecting the river is protecting the meal. Village come early with jar and pan. Farmer, teacher and fisherman, them trace the pipe to the factory wall. Bring stain water before council hall. No bribe could sweeten the scent in the room. Truth spread wide like hibiscus bloom. Pipe get sealed and the banks replant. Living water become the people's chant. River testify, hear the current declare. Clean water belong to everybody, yeah. God every spring, from the mountain to sea. When the river breathe, the people breathe free. From rock to root, from rain to sea. River keep moving, river testify.
Rainfall heavy through the night, but morning uncover every track. When wickedness walk, it always leaves something back. Blow. Four dark figure through the back lane go. Boots strike hard on the wooden stair. Torchlight cut through the midnight air. Them break one latch and overturn one chair. Jack brother Malachi out by him here before one neighbor could sound an alarm. Engine roll off past the paper farm. Foot mark there inna the morning clay. Boot heel pint where them carry him away. Mouth made in iron, report may stray, but the track tell truth in a light of day. Station book clean, no arrests appear. No officer admit that a unit was near. Yet tire groove deep by the guinea tree. Same white pattern pon the constable jeep. Brass coat button lie under the sill. Mud from the yard pon the government wheel. Every denial weaken and fall. Evidence louder than the official wall. Footmark there from the step to the road. Show every turn of the secret load. Wash it with water, brush it with air. Truth leave another mark when I fade away. Neighbor bring board and cover the track. Keep careless shoes from walking it flat. Teacher draw every heel and line. Farmer note law remark on time. Mother fold the button in a clean white cloth. You them watch till the rain is off. All district guard what the dawn reveal. Small pieces die till the picture turn real. One print them call it doubt. Two prints the lie we wrote. 10 prints lead from the broken door. Nyabinghi roll and the people a come journey down. Photograph taken before noon heat, show mud pattern and the measured feet. Search start wide for the missing man. Pressure rise through the whole island. They may hold him body behind concrete, but them can't erase where injustice meet. Footmark the whole parish can see, proof of the raid and brutality. Bring Malachi home without delay. Every wicked step must answer one day. Oh, rain stop falling, morning turn clear, light disappear, but footmarks stay. Sweetness, fill the merchant cup, but bitterness live where the cane get cut. Listen, the whole feel of a voice. Before first sunlight clear the ridge, workers cross over the narrow bridge. Cutlass pan shoulder, crocus bag tied, burn cane dusty on every side. Heat pressed down by the hour of 9. No cool water at the cutting line. Overseer count every bundle lie, but never count one weary sigh. Cane feel cry when the hot wind blow. Sweetness leave port while hunger stay home. Every star count yet the wages run dry. Hear the whole valley when cane feel cry. Scale man lean pon the merchant side. Heavy can't reach, but the figures get light. Peer clerk shave off a portion again. Charge for the file and the cutlass chain. Estate shop off a flow upon debt. Binding each worker before wages collect. 1 week labor disappear in a day. Company take back what company pay. Cane feel cry through the smoke and flame. Rich man profit from a poor worker strain. Sugar taste sweet where the tall ships lie, but salt fill the moat where the cane feels cry. Sister Mavis wrap cloth round her hand. Deep blade wound yet she still must stand. No clinic near and no doctor sent. Only one warning about the %. Her children wait by a low board door, sharing 1 yam between 3 and 4. Still she rise with a fire inside. Pain turn courage that she cannot hide. Funny beat low, cutlass respond ground. Getty beat high, word travel round. No can move till the scale we fear. One worker's burden belong to all day. Morning come, but no blade swing. 100 firm voices make the valley ring. Farmer and loader stand row by row. Demand clean water and the wages them owe. Manager arrive with him furious face, yet the unity hold every worker in place. By evening bell new terms get signed. Fear with promise that the cutting line. Cane feel rise where it once did cry. Workers stand tall beneath open sky. Every hand count and every wage climb. Justice grows strong when the people unite. No sweetness without fair pay. Can't feel remember a name does not finish a life. What wicked hands conceal, time shall bring into light. Seven-night rain soaked the hillside through. Old estate bank split open in two. Beneath wild fern and tamarind shade, weathered wood and iron get displayed. One carved comb lie beside a bead, sign of a people no record would read. No marker stand and no bell ever chime, only the hillside keeping count of time. Barry can't hide what the years reveal. Rain lift the cover from the broken seal, erase every paper and silence each guide. Still truth find daylight. Barry can't hide. Estate book list, every barrel and sack, but pages for workers completely lack. Merchant name printed in a golden frame, not one feel and receive the same. Elders remember what them grandparents tell. People went missing near the old stone well. Whisper pass softly from mother to child. Names kept living though the files get spoiled. Barry can't hide every life we pass. Story push up but through root and grass. Power lock doors and history divide, but memory have strength that burial can't hide. Village approach with a reverent pace, no careless foot disturb the resting place. Elder Naomi bring the family chain, names handed down through sorrow and pain. Scholar compare every date and sign, mapping each branch of a broken bloodline. One small carving match what she know, a circle and star from long ago. From the beat softly let honor begin. Get to speak gently for the lost next of kin. No vengeance call and no hatred arise, only true dignity and open eyes. Them build no palace on the sacred ground, plant cedar trees and a low wall around. Every known name carved clear in stone, blank space on a door still unknown. Children come learn why the hillside broke, how silence was used like a heavy yoke. Now each generation shall carry the light, guarding the names once hidden from sight. Barry can't hide, let the whole land know. Every stolen story deserves for show. Lift every name with compassion and pride. Truth live forever. Barry can't hide. Rain reveal, drum reply, names return. Barry can't hide. Hey, yeah, yeah. Ancestor voice never belong only to yesterday. It living at the work of we hands and the choices we make today. Hey, grandma turned corn in a wooden tray, show patience, prepare prepare the way. Grandfather shaped terrace into the hill. Teach young hands how to guide water still. Every old proverb carry a key. Every woven basket hold history. Wisdom never locked in a distant hall. It grow in the yard when the elders call. Ancestor call through the drum and breeze, through old-time words and medicinal leaves. Not through fear or shadow in the night. Them call we forward, free walk upright. Hey! City glass glitter on the billboard bright. Tell every youth that them roots too light. Some hide them accent and short in them name. Chasing acceptance in a borrowed game. Then one bass note roll from a hillside ground. Stir something deep when it touch the town. Feet find rhythm that them never get taught. Bloodline up in what pride nearly lost. Ancestor call through the bass and skin. Wake up the knowledge we're sleeping within. No foreign fashion can measure we worth. Stand with honor upon the land of your birth. Hey! Meet, learning seed time on the healing leaf. One study carving, one repair drum. One write the stories of where them come from. Old and young reason beneath one tree. Joining experience with new energy. Tradition breed when it move and grow, not when it lock in a glass window. Flute carry high what the heart understand. Fund the whole steady like an elder's hand. Past is a root, not a chain pan. We feed it, feed tomorrow and make life complete. Yeah, yeah. No morning market full of craft again. Native seed rise through the season of rain. Children speak boldly without feeling shame, knowing the meaning behind family name. Each generation add one living page. Wisdom renewed for a changing age. When challenge come and the road looks small, them remember clearly the ancestor call. Ancestor call, make the future respond. Carry good values as the journey goes on. With humble courage and vision bright, we honor them best when we live what is right. Drumming at the distance, warm sun pon the wall. Future keep moving when ancestor call.
Them never fear the drum because it loud. Them fear it because it carry knowledge. Courthouse door, no African drum after 4:30. Soldier search yard from lane to lane, cut every skin and break every frame. But one small kitty hide under yam. One bass drum sleep in a hillside barn. When patrol pass and the moon sink low, quiet and practice what the elders know. Drum bring proof where paper refuse. Fundy keep facts where empire confuse. Get the spell history clear and strong. Proof still living inside the song. Yeah. Northside
elder top rhythm pan chill. Southside family preserve the pair. One village keep only the opening line, another guard the ending true time. No single player hold the pattern complete. Each district shelter a different beat. When them meet on the mountain ground, every broken piece become one sound. Drum bring proof from the hand to the ear. Century pass, but the message stay clear. Ban every gathering and silence each tongue. Rhythm keep traveling from old to young. Yeah, yeah. Scholar arrive with a book full of doubt. Claim the resistance, tradition die out. Then 12 and rise at the elder sign. Bass from the kettle up perfectly in time. Each accent match one ancestral name. Each pause mark where the warning came. No museum glass and no royal decree could speak more plainly of continuity. Bass drum marks where the people stand. Fun they reply with a steady hand. Getty run fast like news through town. Three voices join and the walls fall down. Hey. Now drum sound free in the public square. Children and elders gathering there. Old prohibition come off the wall. No bad job baton can govern the call. Youth learn meaning before them perform. Respecting the source while the rhythm transform. Culture survive because people choose. Figured every pattern them refuse to lose. Drum bring proof, make the record amend. What them call finish never reach an end. From ancestral and to the youth them strong. Proof keep beating and marching on. Ink made the sea, drum never mute. Beat after beat, drum bring proof. A hand trained for right or lie, can choose for right correction. Ink of responsibility. Josiah work where the court files sleep. Stacking land claims in a cabinet deep. Widow bring paper with her boundary clear. Next morning half of her acreage disappear. Worker file grievance both unpaid time. Senior clerk strike out every line. Josiah watch how the figures transform. Robbery dressed in official form. Scribe the wrong, put it plain on page. Date every theft and record every name. When powerful and make the figures untrue. Write what happened so the people can view. Oh yeah, oh. Order come down fi revise one sheet. Move parish road through a farmer's wheat. Change one signature, alter one date. Give merchant access to the river gate. Josiah copy what the first page show. Before false numbers replace each row. Him keep both versions side by side. One carry fact and one carry pride. Scribe the wrong, let the clean ink run. Show what the office secretly done. Stamp may glitter and seal may impress. Accurate words bring power to account nonetheless. Oh yeah. Carbon copy fold in a flower tin base. Safe from the search of the courthouse place. Each evening journey by a different lane. Carry one page through the season of rain. Printer set type by a lantern glow. Lining each fact in a careful row. By market morning from hand to one. People them land. Organ whisper, write it down. Melodica answer, spread it round. No hungry rumor and no careless claim. Bring date, location, figure and name. Inquiry open when the evidence spread. Merchant turned pale and the chief clerk fled. We don't reclaim every acre them shift. Workers receive what the payroll did strip. Josiah step forward, no mask on him face. Knowing integrity outweigh position and place. One honest record break deception strong. A righteous scribe can correct the wrong. Scribe the wrong till the whole truth show. Let every citizen examine and know. When ink serve justice instead of command, written truth becomes strength in the people land. Keep the day, guard the name. Scribe the wrong and expose the game. When you take labor, land, language and years, Babylon, oh yeah. Ship belly full with banana and cane. Port light bright while the district feel pain. Bauxite leave red dust over the hill. Village school roof leaking still. Merchant build mansion overlooking the bay. Feel and struggle for receive fair pay. Every grand fortune them proudly show. Carry a portion of what Babylon owe. Babylon owe. Not favor nor gift. Wage from the labor and land them strip. Count every season and harvest row. Balance the ledger for Babylon owe. Banklin little with a mountain of fee. Farmer lose acre after acre tree. Foreign goods enter with the duty kept low. Local craft stall have nowhere to go. Tax climb high on the poor man meal. Wealth slip abroad through a private deal. Them call it progress when the numbers grow. But progress for whom when Babylon oh, Babylon oh. Every hand kept small, every market woman press to the wall. Profit run fast while the wages move slow. Open the account for Babylon oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh clean water to the hillside lane. Oh proper shelter through hurricane rain. Oh clinic medicine classroom light. Books that tell history honest and right. Oh every family a dignified name. Not poverty treated like personal shame. Debt reach deeper than silver can go. Respect and repair are what Babylon oh. Base way heavy on the dishonest scale. Drum mark every promise that failed. No ribbon ceremony, no speech for show. Return what was taken. Babylon oh. Oh yeah. We now see crumbs from a banquet plate. Now charity offered decades too late. Fair wage, fair land and control of resource. Community power must determine the course. Train every youth and support every trade. Restore the foundation, exploitation degrade. Justice take root when the people can grow. That is the payment that Babylon owe. Babylon owe. And the balance come due not only to elders but the young ones too. We stand together till the whole world know. Repair what you damage. Babylon oh. Oh yeah. Babylon oh. Hey, no begging boy. the account. Babylon, oh. Time may extend the payment, but it never cancel the account. When consequence arrive, debt have to pay. Contractor rise through a false weight scale, short every wage and inflate every sale. Rent climb high in the company yard, while roof board rotten and the water tap hard. Him buy new motor and a seafront place, leaving tired workers with dust on them face. Every crooked figure help him empire grow, but unpaid balance follow wherever him go. Debt have to pay when they do owe a song. No high wall can keep consequence down. Hide every ledger and run far away. What injustice borrow, debt have to pay. Him bribe one witness and pressure one clerk, send quiet warning when the town turned down. Move company money through account overseas, thinking distance would put conscience at ease. Yet loose thread pull from the tailored disguise. One truthful receipt expose 20 lies. Confidence crack in the boardroom frame. Each hidden transaction return with him name. Debt have to pay when the structure lean. Fine court can't cover what the books reveal. Delay the hearing and bargain for stay. Justice keep moving, debt have to pay. Workers, farm market and cooperative store, stop buying goods from the company door. Driver park lorry, mechanic lock tool. Parents withdraw from the contractor school. Printer spread figures in black and white. Musician carry them from dance to night. Without poor people supporting him trade, the tower lose every foundation it made. Clock mark truth with a wooden tone. They strip pride from the polished throne. Debt is not vengeance or anger display, it is restoring what was taken away. Court order payment of the wages withheld, land title return where the families dwell. Company spring open to community use, rent brought down after years of abuse. No worker cheer for another man's pain, them cheer when fairness take root again. Accountability clear, a responsible way. Repair bring peace when the debt finally pay. Debt have to pay, make the settlement right. Return every wage and restore every side. No throne lasts forever upon dishonesty clay. When the people stand firm, debt have to pay. Clock stop ticking, books open wide. Debt finally paid, justice satisfied. Justice lose its rightful name the moment it choose a side. A true scale must stand upright. Market woman signed for a license late. Those storm tear roof from her wooden gate. Merchant block pavement with a warehouse load. Yet no officer trouble him on the road. Poor man wait from the morning bell. Rich man enter and him case move well. When pocket decide how the ruling go, justice become only a traveling show. Scale no lean, fi jacket or gold. Wear one truth whether young or old. Same law reach palace, market and lane. When justice stand upright, scale no lean. Councillor motor mash farmer cart. Scatter fresh produce across the market. Driver leave quickly without giving name. Police file describe it as nobody's blame. Farmer bring witness and wheel mark clear. Still the hearing vanish for nearly a year. Influence whisper behind every screen, pushing the balance where it should not lean. Scale no lean to her title or fame. Measure every action exactly the same. Badge cannot soften another man's pain or lose honor when the scale start lean. Community gather inside the court, writing each ruling and every report. Teacher explain what the statute mean. Youth watch closely that the process stay clean. Newspaper publish who delay each claim, making closed chambers answer by name. Once public eyes start following the trail, secret favor weaken and excuses fail. Trumpet rise level melodic a reply. No note placed lower and no note pushed high. As music need balance, we carry refrain. Law must hold steady so the people maintain. Farmer receive payment fee produce and cap. Market woman gain a reasonable fresh start. Publicly showing each hearing begin. No private doorway for influence entering. Judge state reasons where all people hear, making each verdict accountable and clear. Justice earn trust when the process stay plain. One law for everyone, scale no lean. Scale no lean, let integrity lead. Weigh every fact, not the status or creed. From hillside district to the capital main, keep justice level and the scale no lean. No heavy pocket, no privilege name. Truth hold the balance, scale no lean. Not proof of greatness. Crown is a weight of duty, and every leader must get weighed. Leader rise up with a promise-filled hand. Speak of clean water and fertile land. Once him take office and the chair turns soft, people's concern get quietly pushed off. Motorcade shine through the struggling lane, while broken pipe waste the hillside rain. Him love every salute and ceremonial day.
missing. School lead board, farmer need bridge for transport him load. Budget announced with a trumpet and drum. 3 seasons pass and the work never come. Leader cut ribbon pan a freshly painted wall, while roof behind it nearly ready for fall. Photograph smile cannot clear dismay. People mark everything when the crown get way. Crown get way by the truth he defend. Oh, poetry stranger, neighbor and friend. Speech may rise, but result must stay. Deeds hold the balance when the crown get way. District assemble beneath town hall light. Bring every account and contract to sight. Market woman list what the traders pay. Teacher show books that were promised in May. Builder reveal why the bridge remains still. Fund disappear through a private bill. No angry violence and no reckless display. Fact after fact make the crown get way. Fund the whole duty with a steady tone. Get strip vanity away from the throne. When service is honest, oh, crown feel light. When people get neglected, it press through the night. Council open budget for the public to read. Each district choose its priority need. Contract get checked before payment release. Monthly report bring confusion to cease. Leader no answer at community ground, where praise and criticism equally so. Power becomes service, not personal display. That is how honor survive when crown get way. Crown get way. Make responsibility lead. Judge every ruler by the people them need. No title stand higher than truth in Yahweh. Serve with clean heart when the crown get way. Crown is duty. Power must obey. People bear witness when the crown get way.
Many tongue can repeat the word, but fire tests whether the life and the scripture agree. Preacher wear silk in a polished heart. Speak about mercy from a pulpit tall. Hungry mother wait by the outer door. Usher turn her back toward the street once more. Minister swear with him and pan the page. Then rob poor pension and minimum wage. Mouth sound holy but the action turn cold. Flame know the difference when fire red scroll. Fire red scroll, every hidden line. Burn through the skies till the meaning shine. Lips quote scripture while compassion grow cold. Deeds face judgment when fire red scroll. Ancient words say guard the fatherless child. Welcome the stranger and treat worker mild. Break every burden and share daily bread. Raise up the weak, not the powerful head. Yet leader use verse for control and divide. Hiding exploitation behind sacred pride. Them choose one sentence and abandon the whole. But flame join the meaning when fire is
take action when fire rates grow.
And bone,
nor angry blaze set against any home.
It is discernment that brightens the sight,
separating performance from what is right.
It burns false motive and selfish desire,
temper weak courage into something higher.
Like gold losing purity deep in the core,
character strengthen when fire rates grow.
Fundi act softly,
who did you feel?
Get the answer sharply,
how did you lead?
Organ hold one everlasting tone.
Faith without justice is an empty throne. Open the kitchen gate, share food freely and refuse social aid.
Teacher give knowledge,
farmer share seed, doctor bring healing according to me.
Leader walk humbly and account for him role,
making each action agree with the scroll.
Word become living when compassion take hold.
That is the message that the fire unfold. Fire red scroll make the righteous page shine.
Join sacred teaching with a life well aligned. No empty worship and no heart but a soul.
Live what you preach when fire red scroll.
Page remain, false mask fall.
Fire bring meaning, fire read all.
Healing is not forgetting. A scar can grow lighter while the lesson remains clear. Malaka reach home before morning heat. Dust on him shirt and no shoes on him feet. Risk carry line from the iron them bind, but freedom still bright in the depth of him mind. Mother hold firm by the splintered gate. Neighbor gather quietly and wait. No load celebration, no question parade. Just food, clean water and a place in the shade. Chain mark fade, but the name remain. Skin start healing after sorrow and strain. No captor can own what Jah already made. Spirit stand free while the chain mark fade. Night bring echo of a keep and steal. Some hidden wounds take longer to heal. Sudden engine make him breathing turn fast. Certain dark corners bring back the past. Family sit near without forcing a word, giving him space till him voice can be heard. Day after day with compassion again. Fear loosen slowly and the chain mark fade. Chain mark fade as the courage return. Pain become wisdom, not hatred that burn. Memory stay honest, but terror get way. Life gather strength while the chain mark fade. questions them press. Holes without water and threats of distress. Footprint evidence support every claim. Lorry book number and brass button name. In seat no revenge and no violent raid. Only lawful answer for the wounds them made. Fundy beat, gentle like a calm heartbeat. Melodic arise where the grief and hope meet. Healing need patience, protection and care. No survivor should carry the burden alone there. District start service for the families on. Legal watch group keep each village informed. Doctor treat body, counselor tend mind. Neighbors ensure no one get left behind. Malachi return to him pepper ground row. Moving at a pace that him spirit can know. First new blossom open beneath the shade. Life claim tomorrow as the chain mark fade. Chain mark fade yet the record stand true. Justice protect what compassion renew. From wounded silence a brave future made. Dignity rise while the chain mark fade. Iron release, morning remain. Mark growing lighter, freedom reclaim. Can cover the surface, but life search for every opening. Give hope one crack and watch it rise. And gray, broken concrete taking all day. Rust gate bend and the drain block tight. Nothing seem living beneath morning light. Then one green shoot pushed beside the wall. Small as a finger yet standing tall. No farmer plant it and no rain fall long. Still it finds strength where the stone looks strong. Seed bust stone when the root hold firm. Quiet little life make the hard ground turn. Pressure may cover it deep and long. Give it one opening and the seed bust down. Whoa, missing money, bring one bucket next day. Pour liquor water where the green shoots stay. Mason lift rubble, carpenter men gate. Neighbors start clearing before it get late. Them break old concrete in a careful line. Plant callaloo, bean and thyme. Every new bed make the grey retreat. Soon living color run across the street. It goes stone and the whole yard wake. Root find soil through the smallest break. One act of care make a movement form. Life gather power and the seed bust stone. Compost heap, turn what the market provide. Elder teach planting by moon and season. Youth build bench where the neighbors can reason. Unused room become a learning place. Sharing skill without payment or race. First ripe pumpkin get divided around. Food tastes sweeter from reclaimed ground. Shake a move light like a seed in hand. Bass travel deep like a root through land. Horn rise high like a branch newly grown. Life make a pathway through heartless stone. Through heartless stone. Oh, market now open each Saturday morn. Table hold pepper, yam
yam and corn. Kitchen serve elders and families in need, each person returning a potting or seed. Factory owner once abandoned the site, community labor bring it back to life. What looked forgotten becomes something strong, a whole future rise when the seed bursts through. Make the neighborhood sing from one green shoot. Come a powerful thing, no place too broken, no waiting too long. When people nurture hope, seed bust on. Oh, seed bust on. Oh, root travel deep, green branch push on. Life find a doorway, seed bust on.
Education is more than remembering answers. Teach the picnic how to examine, question, and understand. Oy. Oy. Old school book praise every governor name, show merchant portrait in a polished frame. No page mention who cut road through hill, who carry water or turn sugar mill. Teacher bring stories from the district ground, hard work a farmer and healer to the sound. History widen when each voice get heard, picnic see people behind every word. Picnic learn, make the knowledge grow, who build the road and where the rivers flow. Book in a hand, clear question in mind, education help them see what others hide. Hey, yeah. Teach them to measure how the rainfall run, plant by the season and study the sun. Show how a pay slip and contract read, how interest multiply and money them need. Learn first aid and how clean water stay, how local council make decision each day. Lesson turn useful beyond classroom wall, knowledge becomes strength for you one and all. Picnic learn, give them skill for stand, numbers in a head and seed in a hand. Ask how and why before them agree, educated minds help a nation stay free. Share proverb and medicinal lore, science test carefully what belief useful for. Drama teach rhythm, mason teach line, seamstress show pattern and patient design. Language from yard get respect beside book, every kind of wisdom deserve a fair look. Old ways a new thought, reason as friend, learning still living when them meet and blend. No teaching hatred, no twisting the past, no answer for simply because it come fast. Listen to evidence, revise when you're wrong, humble understanding make knowledge strong. Students drama for the old village lane, record elder memories before them win. Label each spring and abandon estate, compare every story with document and date. Them build small archive in a classroom space, keeping local knowledge safe in one place. Future look brighter as the young minds turn, and nation grow wiser when they picnic learn. Picnic learn, let curiosity lead, give them true history and practical seed, with courage to question and wisdom to discern. Tomorrow stands stronger when they picnic learn. Open the book, examine each turn, future take root when the a speech, floating above the people. It must reach the lane, the field, the table and the spring. Steel brown case, people watch closely as it reached the place. Survey peg move from the widow's door, back to the boundary till before. Locked river path open wide again. Farmer led donkey through the old time lane. What once lived only in argument and tongue becomes something real when justice touch ground. Justice touch ground when the promise turn deed, when law leave paper and answer real need. Not distant under political sound. People feel change when justice touch ground. Cane scale tested at the start of each day. Worker check weight before cart move away. Back pay reach every callous stand. Clean water tank rise beside the land. Factory pipe seal under public eye. Clear current return where dead fish once lie. Food reach the household and fair wage come round. Justice gain meaning when it touch the ground. Justice touch ground when the hungry get fed. When safe clinic open and school fix overhead. No ribbon alone and no promise profound. Result tell the story when justice touch ground. Open, honest and clear. Every named officer required to appear. Evidence examine, no file disappear. Verdict acknowledge unlawful force and fear. New rule demand every arrest get shown. Family informed and location made known. Protection takes shape beyond comforting sound. Freedom breathe easier when justice touch ground. Horn call high but the drum stay low. Keep it sound. No man shall get burned, no never get chased. Repair not revenge is the standard embrace. Open account, fair hearing and community say. Shared responsibility guiding the way. People celebrate, yet them organize still. Watching each office, each contract and bill. Justice is a practice, renewed year round. A living commitment, rooted in ground. Justice touch ground, hear the whole nation sing. Truth become action, not a ceremonial thing. From mountain district to the harbor town sound. Freedom stand firm when justice touch ground. Law become action, become sound. People stand taller. Justice touch ground. But for show which road can carry without freedom. Woo! Oh yeah. Morning light spread over hillside scar. Show where the old boundary and footpath are. Stone wall open, what silence can see. River carry evidence no office could seal.
return to the air. Families gather with reverence and care. Past and honest, no longer denied. First gate to freedom open from inside. Earth free we, when we face what it shows. Name every wound and let restoration grow. No silent history and no justice delayed. Freedom take root when repair truly made. Worker receive what the long years owe. Clean water sparkle where the young crops grow. Scale stand level in the market again. Farmer cross freely through the community lane. Leader give account for the power them hold. Service way higher than ceremony and gold. Last step down from the high office ground. Walk with the people where real life surround. Earth free we, when the promise turn true. When wealth serve many instead of a few. Land feed the village and clear rivers run. Justice become life beneath the same sun. Carry a lighter line. Healing move gently without hiding the time. Youth read history with a questioning mind. Finding every voice, all pages left behind. Drum keep knowledge that no band could end. Elder and picnic build future as friend. Seed split concrete where abandonment lay. Green branch pine toward a different day. Stone hold witness, river carry word. Drum guard memory, young minds get hurt. Fund the whole duty, get the answer clear.